Namaste. I'm Sanjay Mehta, CEO founder of Protolab Electro-Technologies. Established in 1989, we passionately craft visually elegant, intellectually powerful solutions for HMI Input Devices, printed electronics, automotive components, industrial graphics, smart cards and smart packagings. We started our journey from a small facility of 500 square feet with a team of 5 members. Today, after 35 years, we span over 30,000 square feet of climatically controlled environments, housing state-of-the-art machinery and test and measurement systems. Our family has grown to 235 plus. It gives great pride in saying that 75% of my family are women. Our expertise is in screen printing, for which we have 20 semi-automatic print stations, 3 Sakurai fully automatic machines, a rotary printing press, and we continue to preserve the art of manual screen printing. We can blend digital printing with screen and can print 133 dots using both solvent-based and UV ink systems. All pre-press activity is done in-house. Each print passes through 100% visual inspection at every stage of the print process. We have the highest standards for our materials, which we source directly from leading brands around the world. We have both manual and automated equipment for dome and component placement and automated test and measurement equipments. We finish each part with lasering, blanking and punching processes, and we form parts by thermoforming as well as high pressure forming. Each process is well defined and documented for 100% traceability. One of the defining features of Protolab is we are proud to make in India. Today, India is leading a revolution in manufacturing excellence. We at Protolab are agile, precise, value-driven, and committed to delivering quality solutions to our partners in India and around the world. We have a robust quality management system for our processes, products, occupational safeties, and sustainability for each of our industry verticals. We value continuous learning and improvement. Every year we provide hands-on training and experience to students from technical institutes. We provide customized solutions to each of our 1200 plus OEM customers. This includes creating proprietary designs, processes, colors and more, which are unique to each project. Our work for our esteemed partners has won us international awards year on year. Everything we do it with faith. To the extent that once when my Japanese client wanted to meet the chairman of the company, I took him to our temple and introduced him to our deities.